It's serious. The tribunal finally concludes the immediate removal of Tinubu as president of Nigeria, decides his replacement. My people, my people, you can now see that even the Nigerian judiciary is even confused. Yes, our Nigerian judiciary is confused. They don't know what they are doing. They don't. Because if truly they know what they are doing, they will not be allowed, or they will not allow Tinubu to be doing them left and right. That is what I think that is happening. Let's check the content. This is today's news. Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party (PDP) in the 2023 election, has taken a bold step by filing fresh documents with the Supreme Court. In this document, he makes grave allegations against President Bola Tinubu, accusing him of forgery and making false statements under oath. Atiku is also seeking Tinubu's disqualification and removal from office. The heart of this legal action revolves around the academic records of President Tinubu. These records were obtained by Atiku following a court order issued in the United States, instructing the Chicago State University to release these documents. The university complied with the order and provided the academic records to Atiku, as forgery and lying under oath are serious legal offenses. Atiku's move to disqualify and remove Tinubu from office is a clear indication of the seriousness with which he regards these allegations. We have filed the fresh evidence. Tinubu's academic records have been submitted to the Apex Court. You can approach the Supreme Court for a copy of the process. For this reason, the court will be sitting to decide the fate of Tinubu, to remove him or not to remove him, and to decide his immediate replacement. My people, no be smarting. No be smarting at all. Because why? Because a lot of damages has already been made just because of this same presidency of 18 who becomes the Nigerian president. A lot of damages has been made. Confusion everywhere. Confusion everywhere. You understand me, so? Alright, without wasting much of your time, I will really like it, and I would like to hear from you, and also to know what's your take and what's your opinion on what has just been revealed right now may be. Don't forget your comments. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.